What is the passage's primary concern? This is a structure-based question, so let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph talks about Zealandia's battle for continental status. The second paragraph talks about why Zealandia should be considered a continent. The third paragraph talks about some points of disagreement because of the size of Zealandia. The fourth paragraph talks about coining a new term, mini-component, to categorize Zealandia. And the fifth paragraph talks about recognizing Zealandia as a continent and how it may help. So overall, we can see that the passage talks about the case of Zealandia's categorization as a continent and discusses several aspects related to the same. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, describing common elements considered while categorizing a newly discovered landmass. The passage talks about a specific case of Zealandia, so it is incorrect to state that the passage talks about categorization of any newly discovered landmass, which is what this answer choice implies. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, explaining how geologic forces shape continents. This discussion related to geologic forces shaping landmasses is made in the fifth paragraph and is limited in scope. So this cannot be considered the primary concern in the passage. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, building a case for considering Zealandia as a coherent continent. Although a part of the passage talks about Zealandia as a continent, the passage also discusses other alternatives such as considering Zealandia a mini-continent. So it cannot be established that as a whole the passage is trying to build a case for Zealandia as a coherent continent. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, discussing various geological views as well as terminologies pertaining to Zealandia's status as a continent. Yes, this is exactly what the mind map implies, because the passage primarily discusses Zealandia's battle for continental status and mentions several aspects related to the same, such as why Zealandia must be considered a continent, the size of Zealandia, and a proposal to resolve this issue. Also, a new terminology in order to resolve the issue, and the benefit of categorizing Zealandia as a continent. So overall, the passage discusses various terminologies and views regarding Zealandia's categorization as a continent. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice E, evaluating the geological community's response to Zealandia's status as the scrawniest continent. The third paragraph has a reference to Zealandia being the scrawniest continent, but this is a conditional reference which is indicated by if a particular limit is accepted, then Zealandia would be considered the scrawniest continent. Also, the passage doesn't indicate geological community's response to this event. Additionally, this discussion is limited to the third paragraph and cannot be considered the primary concern. So this answer choice can be eliminated. D is the correct answer.